fish on, man. Drop top. We already caught it. We're gonna prepare one of these to eat and see what it's all about. Here's what I've been told. First thing, toe sack. Take the slimy gaff top. Put it in the toe sack. Shake. Alright, Fish on Man, part 3. We have our filet on the half shell. I'm going to use a little bit of this New Orleans style fish fry. Alright, we got our grease coming out. Took some of the fish fry. Got a filet in there. Gaff top. Alright, it's just like catfish. Looks like good meat. We shall see. A little salt and pepper. Cool. Alright, as our grease is warming up, this toe real good. Hope y'all get me on here. Alright, now. Always when our grease get hot. I don't know about sponsorship and any of that kind of stuff. If anybody can help me out, let me out. I ain't good like that. But think about it now. Look how grease is ready. Let's do a little whip. This is what I feel my grease ready. There it is. Really good looking fish. Hot fish. Woo! Give it a minute, Todd. We'll get clean up around here. Right now, get out of the way. Alright guys, Gaff Top. Come right out of San Antonio Bay, Cedar, Texas. We'll see here. Ain't gonna lie to you, just like catfish. You trust me when I see. If I would only That concludes the theory. Gaff Top is delicious. Try it.